All right, today I'm going to an off-road ride out. This should be mostly Coburgs and Sur Rons. It's about an hour away.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one I know. Yeah, I'm in my zone. Cross my heart and break my bones.
Actually, I have a front brake this time, which is sick. The slicks are holding up. Let's get it.
How are the slicks doing?
We got Angus Emerson on the Sur Ron. See if he can pull it. Oh! Oh!
Beautiful, man.
Go!
You okay? Yeah. Wow.
Alright, Dillegle's bike's having a couple problems, but look at this.
The right one's, you know, I haven't actually been doing it. I've been having my neighbor do it.
Hill climb?
Oh! Yeah, let's fucking get it!
Here comes Sur Ronster.
With the slicks!
Yeah, with the slicks!
No.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Oh yeah. Oh, dude, those
That thing's powerful.
are
What
so
the fuck?
sick.
Thank you.
Yes. Uh-oh. All right, here we go. Oh shit. What you got to say, Angus?
Fucking nothing.
We'll head back down. Well, who's not comfortable going down this? Anybody? Okay, cool. Make a left the way we came in, and there's a really fun little valley ride that we'll go down into.
All right, I'm going down this big ass hill.
Who's not comfortable going down this? Anybody? Okay, cool.
You saved yourself so well. Yeah, to brake, you gotta have the tread to brake, right?
Ugh. Oh no. Oh my god. No! Oh man. So muddy. Oh fuck. Just spitting up mud. Uh-oh.
Oh!
Oh! Whoa! That hurts. Whoa! Oh shit!
To be honest, you don't really need that much grip.
Alright, I'm after Eli.
Woo! Oh shit! You okay? Oh fuck. You sure you're alright, buddy?
I'm good.
Nice one.
Y'all good? Yeah.
Whoa! Yes! Oh man! You even parked it good too, man.
Yeah, you know, I was like, I didn't know you know. That was crazy.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I mean, I fell on my knee, but I'm chilling.
Yeah, you just Superman
Yeah,
that
the
thing.
bike's very comfortable right there. Damn. Wait, you got that on video?
Oh yeah.
Wow. Oi.
That's Dylan and Eric.
Back. Huh? From the top. From the top?
So, I fell, but the bike did not. I let the bike be free.
In the arms of
Here, put it like over there. That's what took me off because I'm like. So that's like half power. Alright, man.
Oh my god. What? Yeah.
Alright, just packing up. That's sick. I just like looking at 2 Sur Rons in the trunk. I'm the last one to leave. My knee kind of hurts from that hill climb endeavor. I was about to not do it, so I'm proud I tried it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.
Yeah, I'm on my